Officer Street with the Fairbanks Police Department. Man, the reason I pulled you over today is your plates are expired. Did you know that your registration was expired? Officer Sweet, Richard Sweet, S-W-E-E-T. Badge number is 330. With the Fairbanks Police Department. Is there a, I'm sorry. Yes, ma'am. I have video, and their video also has audio. An emergency, no. There's a violation. Yes, ma'am. I do have probable cause to stop you. Yes, you're committing a violation. Yes, ma'am. Okay, all right. Well, I'm done answering your question. So, is this your vehicle? Yeah, I am. So, you need to stop by. All right, your vehicle right now, is this your vehicle? Okay, I need your driver's license. You have to provide me your driver's license, proof of registration, and insurance. All right, I'm not. No, I have the state statute allows me to stop you. I need your driver's license, insurance, and registration. You are required by state law while operating a vehicle on the roadway to present those. The reason I stopped you, and I notified you already, was your plates are expired. You have tabs that have April of 2015. It is February of 2016. Did you register the vehicle? Maybe there was a clerical error at the DMV?
For the record, I am not operating in a for-hire capacity. I'm not engaging in any form of transportation or other commercial use of this roadway.
Yes, ma'am.
Officer Sweet, number 330, please acknowledge that you have been so informed.
Okay, I've been informed.
So you know I'm not operating in any kind of for-hire commerce.
Okay, right. You're not. You're operating a regular motor vehicle on the highway. Was there a reason why I would think that you would be operating in a commercial capacity? You are not under arrest. You are detained. You are not free to go. No. You are not free to go. You are detained for the purpose of a traffic stop to investigate a violation. I just told you. No, I just told you. I'm not going to explain again. I already told you. I need your driver's license, your insurance, and your registration.
Or am about to commit a crime.
City 30, I need another unit here. I got an uncooperative driver. Vehicle is expired April 2015. She refuses to identify herself. I'm good. There's two females in there. She's just reading questions off of a checklist, so I'm not sure if she's one of those Alaska Independent Party types or not. So now we're going to stay here until another unit gets here. But I need to see your driver's license. You need to identify yourself to me. If you fail to do so, then that is a violation as well. Just let you know. Okay? No. for it. Alright, her plates were expired in April. She starts reading off a clipboard, won't answer my questions. I said, you need to, present your driver's license. She's not doing it. So we're gonna need more. I ran the plate comes back to April 2015. As soon as I come up there, she starts reading off a clipboard. I'm answering her questions a little bit. Not gonna sit there and stand there in front of the window and answer questions. I told her, I said, you need your driver's license, insurance, registration. She refuses. She just ignores me at this point. So that's where we're at.
Okay. So, are you going to issue her a citation?
Oh, yes, I am. And I'm going to impound that vehicle, too.
So just haul her out of there and
okay.
there's a cover.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Ma'am, Officer Sweet again? Ma'am. Do we have other officers here to assist me? Okay, well, what are you going to tell me? I'll tell you, so the reason I stopped it, I just wanted to explain to you, I feel uncomfortable standing in front of the window. It's unsafe for me to remain here. That's why I step back. I now have other officers, so if you want to continue, that's fine. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
I appreciate your service.
Okay, that's great, but okay.
This is not about you or your service. This is about rights Americans. Not just mine, but also those of my children, my friends, and you, officer, because you as well have lost liberties based on this kind of unlawful what you're doing. This is unlawful code enforcement on men and women. I'm a woman. I am not a U.S. citizen. I am not.
Alright, do you have a driver's license? Through the state of Alaska? Or any other state? Do you have a driver's license?
For the record,
Okay, you need to identify yourself.
protect my rights.
Okay, that.
This is actually how it works.
No, this is how it works. You've been stopped because you're in violation of the state law. You're in violation because your vehicle is no longer registered. You're failing to identify yourself after you have committed a traffic offense, and we will have to remove you from the vehicle or place you under arrest if you don't identify yourself. And I don't want to go there. We just need you to identify yourself to me.
That will
No, it will not. But right now, that's not what we're looking at. We're looking at trying to resolve this, but you're getting a traffic citation.
For the record, officer,
All right, I need your name.
in order to protect my rights,
All right.
not waive any by error or accident, I wish to clarify my understanding of the situation.
He's reading.
I wish to
Go ahead, I'm listening. Okay.
You said I'm not free to go.
No, ma'am, you're not.
So I must conclude I am under custodial arrest.
You're not under arrest. You're detained for the purpose of a traffic violation and to issue a citation. I am also going to... No, this is an investigative detention. Okay, well, you're not under arrest. Okay. You're not a citizen of this country?
My right to counsel.
Okay. You still have the responsibility to identify yourself.
From this point forward, officer, I will not be identifying myself.
She will not be identifying herself.
I do not consent
Your
to
supervisor?
any information
Just get a what?
used against me in a court of law. So please do not ask me to produce anything to get it.
Can't tell.
From this point forward,
Just remove her?
please do not ask me.
All right, there's enough to detain.
This is my property.
All right, you are now detained. You are now detained. You need to leave. Is there any weapons in this vehicle? Open this up. Remove.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Yes.
Yes, it is. Get out of the car.
Out of the car, yes.
Out of the car. Ma'am, you need to exit the vehicle as well.
Ma'am, get out of the car.
Come on.
Hey, hold on, you got one lead coming out of myself, too. That's right.
I am invoking my right to remain silent, and
Then be quiet, but get out of the car. Be quiet, but get out of the car.
You need to come out of the car, ma'am.
Right now.
I know. You said you do want a lawyer. You need to come out of the car.
I need my counsel.
Let's go.
Out of the car.
Come on.
Out of the car.
Come on. Come on. Just need to come out of the car. That's all we need to do.
There you go.
Nobody gets hurt.
There you go.
I'm just going to take this.
You have any gun?
Put it right-
George, anything like that, ma'am?
Yeah. That's it. All right, you're under arrest for no valid operating license. C30 Jane Doe at this point, NVOL 1080.
Probably 54 possible.
Ma'am, are you able to identify yourself so we know who you are?
Anything in your pockets that's going to hurt us, man? Anything? Those are your jacket here.
I don't think she's going to want to identify herself too. She's not a known person.
That's fine. I have no reason for her to do so. Just expired plates. Ran it before I stopped. Comes back that it's expired in April. Or expired in April.
All right, you need a ride. I am going to let you know that a crime has occurred here. Failure to do so could result in arrest. Understand that? So you're nodding yes. Okay. So you need to go ahead and leave. Be careful. If you need me to hold anything while you get over that barrier, you'd be more than welcome to.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. I mean,
Well, they'll figure it out in jail. I mean, I don't think they'll release her as a Jane Doe.
no, probably not.
She can get booked as a Jane Doe. You're probably going to want to get her cleared at the hospital, though, because she's probably not going to cooperate.
She might take on the guy in the truck
Yeah.
is involved with
Oh, I'm
these.
sure.
That's interesting.
ETA. I can't read it from here. Okay. Somebody's got it then.
At least be tomorrow.
Yeah. Yep.
I'm going to hang out here until they go away.
All right. Yeah, we got one mail coming over from that truck.
How you doing, sir? I can understand that. You, Bill by chance?
Yeah,
Okay, so this is your vehicle?
my wife's vehicle.
Your wife's vehicle? Okay. Well, at this stage, we don't know who your wife is. She refused to identify herself. Vehicle's gonna get...
Bullshit. She told you who she was.
No, she didn't.
No, she's not.
She did not. It's on audio, on video. She didn't, sir. She did not identify herself. Sir, I asked her for a driver's license. She just continued to read the statement. She didn't. She refused. I let her know why the stop was made. It's because the plates are expired. She still refused to comply. Continued to read. Asked for identification.
She's not in transportation. She's
Yes, she is.
her.
Yes, she is. I'm not playing a legal game with you. You're driving on the state road. Okay, we're done. I'm done talking to you. I'm done. Now, the vehicle's going to be impounded.
You have personal belongings in there?
No, you can talk to the city.
You can contact me first.
I will give you keys if you have keys. See, we're also going to need a 51 for impound for expired plates beyond 6 months. You think so?
Just the way she's acting and.
Yeah. I can't get this door open. Can you see it? Well, I need the dig there saying. There we go. I get a photo of everything. Yeah, I want a photo of everything on this. Does she want her glasses or?
I don't think she's gonna say anything. You might as well grab it.
Okay, glasses or cell phone, or I'm just gonna leave it in there.
Yeah, go leave it. I'm okay with that too.
I can ask her. I'm not releasing it to him. This camera, this does not work very well. There we go. I can get it.
Yeah, that truck just not look right sitting there.
Kind of interesting that it's sitting there.
Yeah, well, I think I'll head to my bench. If some boys park, they can live there with the spotlight on them for a few minutes.
Yeah.
He's got a nice, like I said, he's got a good view of this. I don't like it. Oh, for the record, yep.
I did.
Okay.
You know, I don't know. No, I know. I'm not a nasty guy. Exactly. Oh, I can't get this photo. There we go. For some reason, this camera, the flash is weak
Yeah.
on this. So,
Sometimes they're real flash, and sometimes
Yeah.
the flash is too strong.
well, she's got her purse. We can ask her if she wants it.
Okay.
I'm good with her taking it. I don't want him taking it. But
Yeah. That one her first?
I guess. I don't know.
I mean, she's under arrest. I mean,
Yeah.
you can identify her.
Yeah. Well, I need to see if she's got insurance.
Yeah. No, I mean, she's legally obligated to provide you
Yeah.
with that information. Insurance, registration, and her driver's license.
Mm-hmm. Mace. Or bear spray.
That's very wonderful.
No, no registration. Oh, wait a minute. 2011 insurance. Here's the insurance information. Two 2015. Two 2013. Randy Wood.
It's not telling who he may be calling.
Well, these are all the old registrations and stuff, but it's. I wonder if they just bought it. Maria Wenzel. So she's NVOL. Yeah.
She's NVOL to begin with. Yeah,
Okay.
to find an ID or something.
Well, hang on. Hang on a second. I can't get my fingers to work. Gosh. Yeah. Well, this is so jammed in there, I can't. Hang on, I'm trying to get it out. What was her name? Patricia Mariana? Renzel. There's a lawful status.
Mariana Renzel.
Yeah. Oh, hang on. There she is. Last driver's license, the old one.
You want to take your man and we'll deal with this car?
Yeah, that's fine.
You got the purse?
Yep.
I take the whole thing, man.
Take the wallet and everything.
Yeah, take the whole purse. Just so you don't have to get around to me.
Okay.
I thought I smelled alcohol, but I don't know what you got as far as if you have anything else.
I didn't.
She's not gonna
She was just odd, but I didn't get anything else.
chewing gum like
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
At this point, we're good.
Yeah. Look around that.
Take this. I got her cell phone. Got her glasses.